Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to create a simple project on Blynk IoT platform to control a device linked to your microcontroller. I'm using ESP32 for this tutorial. Let's start. Open your Blynk account and go to your developer zone. After that, click on new template. Give it a name, select the hardware which is ESP32 and the connection type which is Wi-Fi. Enter a description and click done. After that, click Save and go to your devices. Click New Device from Template and select the template we just created. Give it a name and click on Create. The device is successfully created. Let's now create the interface that we're gonna control the devices linked to your microcontroller. Click on Edit. Drag and drop this switch and click on this gear icon. Give it a name and click on Create Data Stream. For our case, we're gonna choose virtual pin and select the pin V2. After that, click Create and click Save. Finally, click Save and Apply. And yeah, this is our interface that we're gonna use to control the device linked to our microcontroller. Now let's set up the code for our ESP32. First, go to your developer tools, scroll down and copy the framework configuration. Go to your Arduino IDE and paste the code. After that, enter your Wi-Fi credentials such as the SSID and the password. This code will read our virtual pin status and print its value. Let's upload the code and see the result. Once the code is uploaded, the template status should change from offline to online. Let's wait for it. And yeah, now it's working fine. Let's test the button to see its value printed on the serial monitor. And yeah, it works. As you can see, we printed the value on the serial monitor. Now you can upgrade this code to control a LED or a single device linked to your microcontroller. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.